What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn about how to update the plugins for the OBS Studio or the Streamlabs. So for that, the process is going to be very similar to the ones that how we download the plugins. So over here, you will see that I'm on the website known as OBS Broadcaster Software. The link will to it will be in the description. This is the Streamlabs or the OBS Studio interface that you guys are very familiar with. Make sure that you back up everything on your account that is from here. So I have signed and back up everything. So whenever I download a new plugin or anything goes wrong, the scenes don't get messed up. So that is the reason I'm doing it. So once you have downloaded it, all you have to do, for example, if you want to download this effect or update it, if it's already downloaded, you will see that the newer version will show over here. You just need to download it and then run install again. So what it will do, it will keep the previous settings intact while updating it with a new resource file. So this is how it's done. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.